In that experience, from that experience, what do you think is one or two most commonly prevalent challenges or issues among the exporters? And if you could elaborate through case study how that can be solved and what is your advice on that, the most pressing issue?
Okay, so see, first let me clear those numbers. So we have delivered 10,000 reports
Okay.
for 200 of our customers and around 800 plus of their suppliers. So in all, 1,000 plus installations is what we talk about, where we have generated those reports, and 10,000 plus reports because some of our customers are very big with thousands of products. Okay, so that's where we stand. With those 1,000 cases, there are few very important or peculiar cases which are very complex. Okay, so I will elaborate one simple example of a EPC company. Okay, where these EPC companies, they have multiple projects going on worldwide. Okay, especially in Europe, maybe 10, 20, 30 projects are happening. So maybe in one location, so for example, in Netherlands, they are building steel plant for somebody. In other, like say Poland, they are building a huge electricity plant for someone. Or in other location, they are doing entirely different project, like building a metro project or a airport. So these are different huge projects that this particular company need to handle. And in their case, every project is different. The set of suppliers for every project is different, and then they have multiple entities in Europe under which they need to import the material from very different set of suppliers. Okay, so this is very complex scenario for them. Okay, because maybe this 20 projects are running which are entirely different in nature, not like a normal organization which is very standard set process, but it's very dynamic project which is happening. They have thousands of suppliers from across the world where the material is coming. So now they need to streamline this entire thing, that for this particular project, which are the suppliers, what is the emission, what is the import which is happening, then how do they attribute that particular emission to those set of suppliers. Even before finalizing the supplier, they need to know what are their emission numbers, so that in the pricing that they give to their customers, they attribute that pricing in that project. So it becomes very complex scenario for companies like this to manage this entire thing.